Okay, students, thank you very much. Today we are going to discuss about the replacement problem. Okay, so I think this comes in OR2, and in the last unit we have this type of problems, a replacement problem. So replacement problem means we are replacing certain items after some time. If we are not replacing, the cost will be lost to us. So replacement problem is very important problem. We have to find out the correct time in which we have to replace uh, the items. Okay, and that type of problems we call it as replacement problem. So here replacement of item that deteriorate, that means what? um, the replacement of an item, it may be any item products, okay, such as fridge or washing machine or two-wheeler, whatever it may be. Its value will be going down as the time is increasing. Okay, the value of the face value of that particular item would be going down. That type of problem is called replacement problem of item that deteriorate. Take for example, if you buy a two-wheeler now, after some time, 1 year or 2 years, the value of the two-wheeler will be going down. Such a type of problem is called replacement of problem that deteriorate. That is, the value is decreasing as the time is increasing. There are two cases there. One is continuous, another one is discrete. The time is continuous, another one is the time is discrete. Okay, now let us take the first case when the time is continuous, how to do that particular problem. Okay, now in this particular case we have to calculate the total maintenance cost incurred in n years, that we are taking as integration of f of t dt. This is the total maintenance cost incurred in n years on the particular item that deteriorate. Then now the total cost incurred during n years will be c minus s. That is buying cost minus scrap cost. We say scrap cost, that is cost is going down, that cost called scrap costs is a buying cost. So difference between this plus the maintenance cost, that would be the total cost incurred on the item during n years. Okay, right. Now we have to find out the average annual cost of n years. Okay, so average cost of n years we have to find out, and that formula you see on the screen is equal to f of n equals 1 by n, that is the n years average we are finding out, therefore 1 by n into c minus s, cost price minus scrap cost, plus this is what is called the maintenance cost. Okay, so this is the cost we have to find out, so that the average cost. Okay, so our aim here is that to find out at which year we have to replace the item. That is what our aim. Okay, so in this particular case, a very important thing is that we have to replace at the appropriate time. That is what you have to understand, that the item should be replaced when the average annual cost is at the particular date becomes equal to the current maintenance cost. Okay, average annual cost must be equal to current maintenance cost at the time we have to replace. Okay, that is what this formula about. So in another video I will be explaining to you about how to do the problem. Okay, so we have to calculate this, and then we have to see um, the average annual cost must be equal to the maintenance cost in the particular year. In that particular year we have to replace. Okay, so with that we come to the end of this video clippings. In the other video clippings I will come with another problem. So, okay, so thank you very much for being with me for the past 6 minutes. Thank you.